Hey friends, it's Sonia Miller with Junk Monkey Paint Company and welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to work on a project that if you've been following me, you know, and you were probably with me when I picked up this thrift frame at a local store that I went to this past weekend, and I thought it was super cute. It's plank style, but you guys told me, you voted that I should go ahead and that I should paint it. So today I thought let's paint it together here on the vlog. And also I've been getting a question this week. Sometimes I get weeks where the same question just comes from multiple people. And that question, it's like the theme of the week has been, how do you distress back paint to be able to see the color that is underneath it? So I thought this would be the perfect piece to show you because you guys saw it was black. And now I'm painting it with Bahama Jade with our Junk Monkey Chalky style paint. So let's paint this piece and then I'll come back on and I'll tell you what I do. Aha, here is what I do. I grab either my my wipes of any sort, whether they're makeup wipes, baby wipes, Lysol wipes. You could also use a paper towel that you put some water on top of, or a little towel. And while the paint is still wet, how do you expose the bottom layer of whatever color it was before? Or maybe you first painted it black and now you're putting Bahama Jade on top of it. How do you distress without taking the color that's underneath it off of it at the same time? Well, by doing the wet distress, it's a very gentle way to remove the top layer of paint, exposing the bottom layer. Yes, you can go ahead and use a sand block, but the only thing is you might end up taking it past the top layer and the second layer of black, and before you know it, you're down to your wood, right? So this is an easy way to do it. So watch the planks come to life. And a definite tip is to always keep turning over your wet wipe or whatever you're using, because when you make the swipe and it collects the paint onto it, you've got to keep turning it over and finding a nice clean spot to continue to be able to wipe with. So I'm just catching anything that's in around the frame right now. By the way, I use my wipe to clean off the glass as well. Now I just got to go find a picture to pop in this thing. But what do you guys think? Got this for all of $4 with a bunch of pieces. It was originally priced for almost $17. So I like the color I put on it. I think it's cool. Now to just find a picture to print and put inside of it. So what do you think, before or after? And did I pick a good color? Hopefully you guys have learned something today. See you tomorrow.